Hyperlinks can be used to quickly access a website, email address, or existing location in your email. In Outlook, inserting a full website address will automatically create a hyperlink. You can, however, also customize your hyperlinks and adjust the text elements that they are associated with. Having prepared my email, I'm now going to insert a website link. To do this, I'm going to click in the email where I want to place my link and move the cursor. I'm going to press the space button on my keyboard. And now I'm going to paste in the previously copied link by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. I can see the address now appears, however, the link is not activated. To do that, I'm going to press the Enter key on my keyboard. And you'll then see the address will have the link because the text will be blue and underlined. And when you move your cursor over it, you can see how to follow the link by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Click. If you right-click the link, a menu of different options will appear. For example, you can remove the link, copy it, open it, or edit it. I'm going to click on Edit. The Edit Hyperlink window has now opened. I can see at the bottom is the address I entered, and I'm going to edit the display of the link in my email. This can help save space if you have a very long address, and it can also make your email look more organized and tidy. To do this, I'm going to go up to the Text to Display field at the top. I'm going to select the field, and I'm going to delete the current website address, and I'm going to type in Homotic blog. I'm going to click OK, bottom right corner. I can now see in my email the display text has changed, but the link is still there. You can also insert an email link, which when you click will open a blank email with the email address in the recipient field. To do this, I'm going to go to the Link tool in the ribbon. So to find it, I'm going to click on the Insert tab at the top. And I'm going to go to the Links tool set. I'm going to click on the Link tool. And when the menu opens, you can see recent items, and at the bottom, Insert Link. I'm going to click that. The Insert Hyperlink window has now opened, and I can choose the type of hyperlink I want to insert. So I'm going to click on Email Address from the options on the left. And now I can enter the email address I want to use. You may also see recently used email addresses in that field below, and you could click on those if you wanted to use a recently used email address. When you start typing, you'll automatically see mail to and a colon appear in front of the email address you're going to type in. Now I've typed in the email address, I can see in the Text to Display field at the top, it's the exact same text. However, you could also modify this if you wish by selecting the field, deleting the email address, and typing the person's name, for example. You can even choose a subject so that when you use the hyperlink to send this person an email, the subject line will automatically be filled out. So you can select the subject field and type in the subject line. And to save all that information, I'm going to click on the OK button, bottom right, which will also insert my hyperlink. The hyperlink has been inserted, however, it's not where I want it, so I'm just going to go over and I'm going to select it with my mouse. I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+X to cut it, and I'm going to click to place my cursor where I want to paste it, and I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. I can see the hyperlink for my email address now appears where I want it in my email. I can see that the hyperlink is activated again because the text is blue and underlined, and I'm going to send my email by clicking on the Send button top left. I'm now going to open my Sent folder to find the email I just sent, and I'm going to check the links I added work. I'm going to click on my Sent Items folder. The email I sent is at the top and it appears in the reading pane. So if I click on the link to the company blog, that has opened automatically in my internet browser. I'm going to close that by clicking on the Close button top right of the window. And for the email address I added, when I click, a new email will open with my recipient in the To field and the subject line I entered in the subject field. And I can see that that is the case. So I know that the two links I added are working properly for the person I sent the email to. And I'm going to close this window by clicking on the Close button top right. And I'm not going to save changes, so I'm going to click no. So in this video, you've seen how to insert a link into an email with Outlook.